Hello and welcome to LoyaltyDog. I'm Lee Bernstein, and this tutorial is going to deal with awarding points to customers and how to use the points rule that we'll go into in a few moments. Before we go into the rule and how to use that, let's take a look at what the generic or global points setting is for our program. So if we go to the Program tab over here on the left, click on the Configure tab, and we go to Advanced. And here we can see what the global conversion ratio is for our program. In this case, I've got 1 in there, which means I'm going to give 1 point for every unit of currency that the customer spends. So 1 point for a pound or for a dollar or for a euro. I can change that to give 2 points, 3 points or 5 points. And that will be across the board for all my customers who are members of the loyalty program that I create. Now, if we go back to the Program tab, go to Configure, and we head over to the rules, we can go to what we call the points rule. And this rule allows you to manipulate the number of points that are awarded to the customers. And there are a number of different levers that you can use. And we're going to talk through them all as we go through the form and explain what each of the fields signifies. The basic idea is that you can fine-tune the points and give your customers more points per unit of currency spent if you want to actually promote specific items in your inventory. Or you can also use this rule to protect your margins by eliminating points or not giving points for specific items. So let's dig in, and we'll start from the top. New name, I'll give it a rule 1, but you can give it whatever name you want and a little description. And this only applies, or only you, the merchant, and your co-workers can see this. Then we have the conversion ratio, and this is the number of points we want to award instead of giving 1 point as we saw in the global ratio that we put in there. So in this case, I'm choosing to give 2 points, which is double points. I'll come back to this ignore customer conversion ratio a little later on, but from now we'll carry on and we'll say minimum points required. I might want to set this rule up to give it only to make it available to my good customers, and I might put 250 points in here, and so only customers with 250 points or more would be able to actually benefit from this extra points that I give. Or I can leave it at 0, and that means that anybody who's a member of the program can use it. I can set times and dates for this to automatically switch on and off. So I can set several different rules at the same time to come on and off at different times in the week, the month, or as I wish. I will choose the platform I'm using. ePostNow or Shopify are 2 platforms where this rule actually applies. And then I can select locations. I have 1 location showing here, but if I had a multi-location business and I had 17 different locations, I may wish to make this particular benefit available to 1 specific location and have that as a highlight or a star store for the time being. And then finally, we select the categories and goods. So I'm coming here, selecting a couple of categories and some different individual products. And these products that I've selected and these categories that I've selected, once I make this active, will receive 2 points for every pound that they spend. Simple as that. Now, I mentioned I'd come back to ignore customer conversion. If I click into this and I make this 0, okay, I can make this, and I say I use these categories too, but I can use whatever ones I want, and I save that change, then these items will not attract points when they're purchased at the till. So if I have these items have got low margins, or they're items that I'm restricted from giving points for, I can choose to have those outside of the points program. If in effect blacklist them. I hope that gives you some information about how to use the point rule. You can create as many rules as you wish and apply it across as many dates and times as you need to. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. You can send me an email at lee@loyalty.dog if you have any questions or need any more information. Thank you for listening.